Hey there, welcome back to another video, and today we have another Canadian IMP. Now this one is a breakfast menu, and the name of the menu happens to be Breakfast Patties, menu number 5 from 2018. Let's get right to it. Let's check it out. Let's take a quick look at the packaging in case this is your first time seeing one of these. All right, so this comes in a paper bag, which is lined with foil. You have the Canadian maple leaf, breakfast patties. The 18 stands for 2018, and this is menu number 5. The bottom is, we'll just ignore that. On the back, we have a QR code, which, if you want to pause that, will link you to the Canadian military Facebook page. And that's about it. These things are about the same size and weight as a standard US MRE. So let's open it up. All right, so it might be a complicated process to open one of these, but I'm gonna show you how. So you take your bag and we're in. So let's pull some things out. We have a couple of lime sports drinks. Very nice. We have a hamburger bun. Can't go wrong with those. This is something I have not tried. It's a wild berry yogurt drink mix. Sounds interesting. We have a package of sweet and salty almonds, some ketchup, peanut butter, strawberry jam, a package of maple and brown sugar oatmeal. Here we have a side dish, which is sliced pears. Not bad. A Canadian beverage bag for your drinks, coffee, whatnot. Here's a Nescafe 3-in-1, sugar, creamer, and coffee. Those are always great. Here's our breakfast patties. There's a list of ingredients. Make sure you read that if you're into that. The new and improved Canadian spork. I really like that. Some Tic Tacs for that morning breath. Book of matches. Pink tips. We have a Canadian compressed napkin, and these things are always fun. Don't mistake that for a mint. I've done that. And the famous extra large bathroom Canadian napkin. That's it. There we have the entire contents, and I must admit it's looking quite impressive. Let's begin. Heat up the breakfast patties. And I guess we'll start with the coffee. Here's the Nescafe 3-in-1. And let's give it a stir. That is extremely hot. Let's set it off to the side. Let's make some sports drinks. We got that nice gusseted bottom. Here's our lemon lime sports drink. Should be just a white powder. And we'll save the other one. close it up and give it a good shake. There we have it, our lemon lime sports drink. Looks a little bit greenish, yellowish. Here we go. That is simple and refreshing. It's got a lemon lime artificial flavor to it. It's a little bit sweet. It's a little bit tart. Overall, very nice. Let's get our tray. We've got some oatmeal, maple, and brown sugar. We'll add a little bit of cold water. Just stir it up a bit. That actually looks pretty good. Here we go. Oh, wow. That is excellent. It's nice and sweet and very, very milky. It's got a nice subtle maple brown sugar flavor to it, and that's really good. Let's check out the sweet and salty almonds. Nice, sweet and savory. Give them a try. There's our almonds, and this one, it's got like a sticky sugar coating. Let's try this one. Those are very good. The coated ones are obviously the sweet ones, and the salted ones are the naked ones. So those are very good. I like them. Let's prepare the yogurt drink mix. Let's add water to the filling. It's got a nice gusset at the bottom, so add some water. And we'll give it a shake. All right, let's pour it. There we have our wild berry yogurt drink. And yeah, it does have a crack in it. All right, here we go. I'm not entirely sure how to feel about that one. It's a little bit weird. It's got that dairy shake flavor to it. It's very milky, very smooth. It's got a very subtle hint of that wild berry yogurt flavor. But yeah, overall, it's decent. Not my favorite drink mix, but it's all right. Let's check out the hamburger bun. So we're gonna check out those breakfast patties and make ourselves a breakfast sandwich. Check that out. You get 2 breakfast patties. Let's give one a try. Here we go. Definitely pork. It's a little bit salty. It's got a smoky flavor to it. Yeah, that's very decent. It's a very different, distinct flavor, almost like a Spam or a piece of ham. That's very savory, very tasty, very porky. So we're gonna make ourselves a breakfast sandwich. We're gonna take our bun and one of the patties. Add some ketchup. I'm not sure how I feel about ketchup on pork, but it doesn't hurt to try. There's our breakfast patties, hamburger slash breakfast sandwich. Let's give it a try. That is actually very interesting. I don't think I've ever had ketchup on pork. I'm not even sure if that's a thing in Canada. If you know, let me know in the comments. That's actually pretty decent. Kind of gives it that hamburger kind of flavor, kind of vibe. That was actually enjoyable. Let's try the coffee. That is a really good 3-in-1 coffee. Nice, rich, bold flavor, a little bit creamy, and just the right amount of sugar. Just in case we didn't have enough sugar in our breakfast, we still have another dessert. We still have the sliced pears, so might as well try them. This appears to be the new style of Canadian retort pouches. I actually like that. Let's try a piece. All right, here we go. They're just sliced pears in light syrup. They're a little bit sweet, nice and fresh, not bad. And in case you're wondering, here's the peanut butter. Very creamy and delicious. The strawberry jam. It's a little bit chunky. Here we go. Very sweet and tasty. Just try with the oatmeal. You can see it's got chunks of strawberries. Here we go. Here's the napkin in its compressed form. And it's a pretty big napkin. Almost feels like a gauze or a, wipey. These are pretty nice. We're gonna save the Tic Tacs. We all know what Tic Tacs are, and here's the matches. They do work. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. This was the Canadian IMP from 2018 breakfast patties, and this one was really interesting, and I mean that in a really good way. I've never had pork patties for breakfast, at least not in this form or fashion. This actually would have made a really great lunch menu. Just add a little bit of barbecue sauce and you have yourself a makeshift McRib. That would have been amazing. But overall, everything was excellent, was really good. Mine is that weird yogurt drink mix. I'm not a big fan of those, but on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this one a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's really great. I highly recommend it. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and make sure you hit the little notification bell as well. And I just want to give a huge shout out to all the Canadian ration reviewers like Canadian Trucker and Smitty. Those are just some of my favorites. I'll link them down below, so make sure you check them out. And as always, thanks for watching. See you soon. All right. Couldn't help myself. Don't have any buns, but that should do it. Got this sweet baby Ray's. And a little bit of barbecue. There's our makeshift McRib. Here we go. Oh, wow. Excellent.